The rear features continuous LED taillights that create a wider, sportier look, plus a performance car-like diffuser. The surprise here, this isn't a regular coupe, but a liftback hatchback that allows for a more spacious trunk with a 60/40 split-folding rear seat. New colors, like Winter Frost Pearl with a black roof option, are popular choices for a different look. Interior, a premium and futuristic driver's cockpit. Inside the cabin, it feels like sitting in a sportier Accord, but with a luxurious upgrade. The front seats are wrapped in perforated leather, with a houndstooth pattern and Prelude logos. Sleek LED headrests bolstered thin U-shaped grille and wide air intakes. The simple dashboard in the front bumper, 9-inch give it the look of a race-ready coupe. Supports Google built-in wireless, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a wide digital cluster, and an 8-speaker Bose audio system. The main surprise, a modern push-button shifter, instead of a traditional lever plus wireless charging. The rear is a 2+2 seating arrangement, sufficient for daily driving, but with the driver as the priority. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.